Hamajanilu. Namaskar. Here I am Tapati Singh from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some more simple sentences which we use daily in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Such as, don't be afraid. Dor na pace. Afraid means dor pani. Don't be afraid. Dor na pace. She cleans her rooms daily. She means they. Cleans means ngokhi koriri. Her rooms. Her means their kuthagi. Rooms means kuthagi. Her rooms means their kuthagi daily. Nikka nikka. So it will be she cleans her rooms daily. They nikka nikka their kuthagi ngokhi koriri. The next sentence. Do you eat meat? Do you means tiki. We are asking the question. So, do you tiki eat kharta? Meat means mangsha or mahu. So it will be, do you eat meat? Tiki mahu kharta? No, I don't. No means na. I don't. Me nahauri. I don't. Me nahauri. Where are you from? Where are you from? Are you means the is also a question. Where are you from? Where from? Where means kurang. Where from means kurang to. From means to. Kurang to. Are you? Ti ahesot. Where are you from? Ti kurang to ahesot. It may rain today. The next sentence. It may rain today. When we use may in Bishnupriya Manipuri, it will be pauri. It may rain. Boron ditoi pauri. Today means aji. So, aji boron ditoi pauri. The full sentence. Aji boron ditoi pauri. The next one. It is raining. Boron diase. It is raining. Boron diase. Rain means boron. Raining. Boron diase. You should not leave now. You should not. Torta thok nei. You should not. Torta thok nei. Leave means jana. Now means ebaka. So it will be in Bishnupriya Manipuri. You should not leave now. Torta ebaka jana thok nei. One more sentence. My nephew will come tomorrow. My nephew. My means more. Nephew means baginak. My nephew, more baginak, will come. I toi. Come means ahani. So it will be will come means I toi or ahi toi. More baginak ahi toi. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means aibo kali. My nephew will come tomorrow. More baginak aibo kali ahi toi. The next sentence. He has an exam here. He has tarta ase. He has an exam. N means ahan. Exam means porikha. He has an exam here. Here means a paid. He has an exam here. So it will be Tarta epe, the last one. First we have to say the subject Tarta, then the last one. Here epe, Porikha ahan, has ase. He has Tarta ase an exam here. Tarta epe porikha ahan ase. My brother loves me more beyoke. My brother. More. My means more. Brother means beyok. My brother more beyoke loves me. Me means more. More beyoke more banapar. Loves means banapani. My brother loves me more beyoke more banapar. Do you love him? The next sentence. Do you love him? Love means banapani. You means ti. Him means tare. Do you love him? Means tiki tare banapar. The next sentence. Say something. Say means matne. Something means kitahan. Say something means kitahan matne. Oh yes, I also love him. Oh yes. Oh hi. I also means miyo. Love him. Him means tare. Love means banapauri. So it will be in Bishnupriya Manipuri. Oh yes, I also love him. Oh hi. Mio tare banapauri. I will not cry. I will not cry. Mi na kato. Cry means kadan. I will not cry. Me, I means me. Will not cry means nakato. Me nakato. Don't play in the sun. Don't play. Play means khelani. Don't play. Na kheli. In the sun. Roid got. Don't play in the sun. Roid got na khele. I will not go. Me najitoga. Go means jana. So it will be I will not go means me najitoga. One more sentence. He bought a new car. He bought. Ta loasil. A new car. A means ahan. New means nuwa. Car means gari. So it will be he bought a new car. Ta nuwa gari ahan loasil. If we say in negative sense, it will be he did not buy a new car. Ta nuwa gari ahan naulosil. He did not. Ta naulosil. He did not buy. Ta naulosil. A new car. Nuwa gari ahan. Don't jump so much. Don't jump. Na phaldi. Jump means phaldadi. So it will be don't jump means na phaldi. So much. Akkore. Akkore or nyampa. Don't jump so much. Ti akkore na phaldi or ti nyampa na phaldi. Don't sleep now. Sleep means gunjani. Don't sleep. Na gunji. Now ebaka. So it will be don't sleep now ebaka na gunji. One more sentence. Don't drink cold water. Don't drink. Na peace. Cold water. Ing pani or chik pani. Water means pani. Cold means ing or chik. Chik pani or ing pani, cold water. Don't drink cold water. Chik pani na peace. One of my viewers, I think name is Barun. He has requested me to share some negative sentences, so I have tried to share some negative sentences here. Let me conclude today. Habihan hobaya thayo. Take care. Dhanawad. Namaskar.